Hey guys, welcome back to Rather Be Viz. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can create a chart that allows you to drill down within it to see the next level down. So the example we're going to use today is having a look at category and subcategory from the EU Superstore. And as you can see, what we're able to do is select our category, and then it's going to drill down into the subcategories that sit beneath that. So the way we're going to do this is by using sets. So without further ado, let's hop into Tableau and get building this out. So here I am in Tableau. I'm already connected to the EU Superstore, and to start off with building this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my category onto rows because I want them running down the page, and then I'm going to bring my sales up onto columns because I want that running across the page. Now, to make this a little bit easier on the eye, I'm going to say fit height, so now I get some nice thick bars showing my performance. Now, what we're going to do in order to create this drill down is use sets. Now, sets are something within Tableau where basically you can move things in and out of sets, and you can set criteria. So it's a good way of doing maybe test versus control analysis or cohort analysis. But what we're going to use it for today is to tell Tableau when we want a category to expand. So first thing we're going to do is to create a set. So on my category, I'm going to right click, I'm going to come to create, and then I'm going to pick set. And in here, I'm not going to tick anything. I'm going to leave the name as category set. So at the moment, I've got nothing within my set. So I'm going to click OK, and you see we get our new category set up at the top of our data pane here. And it's got this little Venn diagram next to it to let us know that this particular field is a set. So next, what we're going to do is create our expand calculation. So what this is going to be another column within our view here. And when we're not expanding the values, we're just going to show a little plus sign to indicate to the end user that they can click on this to expand the view. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow here and create calculated field. And I'm going to call this my subcategory expand. And the formula we're going to do here is if, and I'm going to bring in my category set, then subcategory, else, and then just a plus sign. You can put whatever you want in there. You could put expand if you wanted to. Let's do that. Let's do a little plus sign and expand, and then we're going to finish that off with an end. So because our category set is going to give us an in or out value or a true false value, we're basically saying if the category that we're looking at is within the category set, then I want to show subcategory. Otherwise, I want to show just some text that says plus expand. So if I click OK on that, I'm going to bring my subcategory expand up into my rows. And you can see now we have got our plus expand on all of these. So in order to get this to work, what we're going to do is we're going to put this onto a dashboard and then apply a dashboard action. So I'm going to click on the new dashboard button down the bottom here. I'm going to bring in my sheet. I'm not going to worry too much about the formatting. Let's just make this just a wee bit smaller so we can fit it all on the page. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to dashboard and I'm going to come to actions. And in this here box, I'm going to go add action, change set values. And I won't bother putting a name, but if you're building this, you should definitely put a name so you know what the action is. And my source sheet is going to be my sheet 1. Again, I've not followed best practice here. If I have more than one sheet in here, it would get very confusing. So on my sheet 1, I want to run the action on select. My target set is going to be, in my sample EU Superstore, my category set. And when I run the action, I want to assign the values to set, and clearing the selection will remove all values from the set. So what this means is when I click on one of my categories, it's going to move that category into the set. And when I deselect it, it's going to remove all values from set. So I get back to this view I have in front of me. So I'm going to click OK on there and OK again. And now when I click on my office supplies, you can see it expands out and shows me all of my office supplies performance. And if I click off of it, it then unexpands it. So if I do that on furniture, you can see it works there. And if I do it on technology, it works there. So pretty cool way of being able to add in some drill down. and so you can have your lower level chart on the same page as your higher level one, and people can drill down to what interests them. So there's a lot of applications for this. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please do let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.